Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Pizzeria Rod Skin in Fish It Game Up Roblox Classic Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to go to the Classic Island. If you are at the Fisherman Island, you can use the teleport feature. Then you're going to talk to this pizza man to take the quest. And the quest is called to catch the slices. You need to fish out 10 pizza slices. And after that, you're going to go back to this pizza man to claim the Pizzeria Rod Skin. And you're going to fish in this area, guys. You can follow me right here. Go to the fishing spot here to catch the pizza slices. You need to catch 8 pizza slices. I've already catched 3. I still need 5. Wait, where is it? I'm going to show you how the pizza slices looks like. Oh, wait. Let me show you the fish index. Okay, this is the pizza slice. It's a rare item, 1 in 400. Okay guys, and that's how we can unlock the Pizzeria Rod Skin and Fish It game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!